Most people think respect is earned through kindness. They're wrong. It's actually commanded through psychology. Look at the data. Millions are searching for how to get respect fast, because being the nice guy is getting you walked on. If you want to change how the world treats you, you must change how you occupy space. Today, I'm giving you the 5-step commanding presence framework to stop being invisible. 5. The silence command. The first way to increase respect is to stop rushing your words. High-status individuals control the tempo of the room. When someone asks you a question, don't jump to answer. Pause for 2 seconds, look them in the eye. This silence creates a psychological power vacuum. It shows you aren't desperate for their approval. In social dynamics, the person who is less hurried is the person with the power. Silence isn't empty. It's a statement. 4. The respect reset strategy. What do you do when someone interrupts you? Most people stay silent or get angry. Both lose. To get your respect back, use the gentle call out. Simply stop talking, wait for them to finish, and say, "I wasn't finished with my point." No anger, no shaking voice, just a fact. You are training people on how to treat you. If you let it slide once, you've given them a license to disrespect you forever. 3. The competence shadow. The top 1 secret to making anyone respect you instantly isn't a trick. It's a result. Stop trying to be respected in society and start being excellent in private. Our search analysis shows a massive gap in winning at everything you do. People don't respect nice. They respect useful. Become so good at your craft that they cannot afford to ignore you. Respect is simply the shadow cast by your competence. 2. Subliminal mirroring rules. If you want to command respect without saying a word, use subtle mirroring subconsciously. We respect people who reflect our own energy but with more composure. Match their posture, but keep yours more open and grounded. This creates an instant psychological bond of same status recognition. It signals to their lizard brain that you are an equal, not a subordinate. 1. The mindset shift. Finally, the top secret to becoming a respected man or woman is the availability audit. If you are always available, you are low value. Respect is tied to scarcity. Stop being the person who answers every text in seconds. Your time is your currency. Spend it like a billionaire, not a beggar. Subscribe if you're ready to stop being the doormat and start being the leader.